What's up everyone, Drew Binsky here and welcome to my second YouTube channel, which is all the extra fun stuff that I shoot around the world that doesn't quite make it on my main channel. Today I have a very special story that I want to relive, which was in Peshawar, Pakistan, one of my favorite places in the entire world, and I'm going to relive the moment behind the scenes by watching one of my most viral videos that I made there on the streets, which is where I was negotiating with street vendors and they were actually giving me a lot of things for free. That video had over 30 million views across platforms, so it's going to be a lot of fun to share some stories from that day. And it's kind of like a director's cut, except I'm the director and this is way more low-key. It's basically us just hanging out with a couple cameras on my face. So grab a snack. I got some, I don't even know what this is, nature wheat thins. Grab your snack, sit down, relax for a little bit, and enjoy. Let's start the video.
So we bought bottled waters and then he gave us sandwiches to take a picture and then he said keep them. He said it's for you, gift.
Dana, what's happening?
Because they're not letting me pay.
I was just given a gift of these traditional Pakistani shoes. Thank you so much. So they surprised us. So first of all, this video is not fake at all. Everything was given to us for free because they're just so hospitable and they're not used to seeing tourists, especially in this place that we were at called Peshawar. I was there with 5 local friends. They're YouTubers. Manon, the redhead girl, she's wonderful. She's from Pakistan and she invited us out along with Daniel and Aslan and the other guys. And yeah, we went up there and it was just a very adventurous trip. And I also want to say I have not rewatched this video since I really made it in 2019, so a couple of years ago. With this giant meal. When I arrived in Pakistan, I went to the ATM and took out 28,000 rupees, or $200. I'm on day 8 so far, and my wallet is still full. This is not the case by choice. The hospitality in Pakistan is so amazing that they won't let me pay for anything. I'm not only talking about my friends. Those are my friends. They have like a really popular YouTube channel. They're like comedians and stuff. And a lot of people think because I was with them, we were treated differently. A lot of times I even broke off from the group and just wandered the streets alone. And so it wasn't always with them. But yeah, of course, traveling with local friends, especially these guys, they helped me like facilitate things. They help with logistics. And that's part of the beauty of travel is you find cool local friends. So let's continue the video. Friends who have been taking me around the country. I'm talking about random street vendors and people I meet, especially here in Peshawar. We're here on the streets of Peshawar. I'm gonna go try to buy some things. I'm gonna show you that the hospitality is so good they won't accept my payment. Ice cream? That guy was really cool. We were just walking on the street and I made eye contact with him. That's kind of a trick that I do. I make eye contact with people just to see if they're willing to be filmed. Some people aren't fond of the camera. And this guy kind of waved me over, so I was like, sure. And those little sticks, I think I knew it was ice cream at the time, but I'd never tried it before, so I knew I was in for a treat. Come on. Thank you very much. How much is it? How much? I'll pay you. Okay, we're gonna try to get these cookies. They look pretty. Literally, like, he didn't want to take my money. They're just like, so Peshawar, they suffered from a huge terrorist attack. It's almost on the border of Afghanistan. Actually, the culture crosses a lot in Peshawar. They wear the similar things. And so there was a huge school shooting. If you remember, like 120 kids were killed, like between ages of 3 and 8 or something. And this is like 5 years before I was there. So the city was like shut down, like off limits. And so I was like one of the first foreigners to be back in, so they were just super excited to see me, and they were really friendly. Good. Assalamu alaikum. Thank you. Oh, hot. It's like a donut. How much?
No pesa, no.
Oh, it's okay, it's okay.
No.
Why? He's like seriously not accepting my payment. Are you sure? I'm rich. I can't get rid of my money. Get some water. Thirsty. Once again, none of these people were briefed. My friends, I had one camera guy with me, but no one said anything to these guys. We just went up there and approached them, and these are real situations. Assalamu alaikum.
How are you?
How are you?
Alhamdulillah.
Nice to meet you. US, Arizona. Thank you. How much?
Leave it, man. You are a guest, so.
Oh, it's okay. I can pay you.
Thank you so much. Keep it.
Are you sure?
Yeah, man.
You don't want any money?
I will offer you green tea.
Yesterday, we went to the world's second biggest salt mine, and Deanna bought 9 salt lamp souvenirs. They wouldn't let her pay a dime.
I just feel love.
What did you buy? Show me.
A lot. There's one box there.
And how much was it?
I don't know. I can't.
Guys, what I'm telling you is 100% real. I just can't. That zit on my nose, oh my god, that was driving me crazy that entire day. I forgot about it until now. I feel like no one's listening to what I'm saying. They're just looking at the zit on my nose that I just popped. My first taste of this incredible hospitality was actually a few weeks ago in KL when I ate at a Pakistani restaurant and the lady wouldn't take my money. How much? No. She's literally not accepting my money. Why are Pakistanis like this? Why is this the first and only country where nobody will accept my payments? The answer is simple.
We don't care about money.
We care about family, values and traditions.
I love Pakistan.
I cannot get my head around this, especially because the society I grew up in is completely the opposite. In the Western world, we work as hard as we can to make our bank accounts grow and grow and grow. And then what? All I know is that the people of Pakistan are incredibly joyful. They're laid back. They don't stress much. They don't care about living in a nice house or driving a fancy car. They are just living a happy life, and that's all there is to it.
Thank you so much.
As I'm fixing, well, we're getting real behind the scenes here because I'm fixing the mic that was on my chest. So hold on a second. I told you this is a behind the scenes video. Normally I would cut this part. Okay, so I think there's an outro here, or a different part.
Welcome to Peshawar. You are most welcome. It's you are my you are my guest, and I will be. Sorry.
It's okay. One more time.
One more chance.
One more time. Ready?
What I say?
Say welcome to Peshawar.
You are all my guests.
You are all my guests. That's it.
Just.
That's it. Ready?
Welcome.
1, 2, 3.
Welcome to Peshawar to my all of guests, and this is Peshawar, and this is Peshawar city Gentagar. It's my restaurant, Qabaili Hujra. Most welcome anytime. تاسو باندې ان شاء الله زه خپل غا د قبایلی خپل روایتي روټي به ان شاء الله وخورم او تاسو مان سره وسی.
Okay, so that guy was a perfect example of who Pakistani people are. You could just feel it in his presence. He's just so chill and so open-minded and friendly and just wanting to talk to foreigners and get to know them and introduce this country and invite over to the house and eat the food and don't pay for anything. Like, this is really, one of the first times I've experienced that kind of hospitality also in Afghanistan, in Iran, in Iraq, and a lot of the neighboring countries in the Middle East and South Asia. They're very much like that. But Pakistan, now the country is open to tourists. Like 60 countries can get an e-visa, and it's much easier to go there now. So it kind of changed. But when I was there, it was super hard to get the visa, and I was like one of the few Americans that ever get the chance to go there. And I just had such a heartwarming experience. And Pakistan is just like so close to my heart. And it was 2.5 weeks there only, and I'm dying to go back now that it's easy to get the e-visa. For Americans, if you're American watching this, you can get an e-visa now, and 60 other countries can just like apply online. E-visa means online application, and it's approved pretty quickly. So I'm really trying to get back into Pakistan once this COVID mess kind of dies down a little bit. But yeah, I don't know. Pakistan was. Whenever people ask me what one of my favorite countries, Pakistan comes to mind. It's so full of life, and it's just I kind of want to keep watching more of my Pakistani videos now. But for the purposes of this video, we're gonna cut it, and maybe I'll check one of my Pakistani videos later. So thank you guys for watching. It's kind of a test experiment. This video, I'm kind of like doing reaction videos, looking at my old content, reliving these moments, and hopefully you guys are finding it interesting, because this is not really typical of what my normal videos are like, which are pretty highly produced, and a lot of editing and a lot of different things going on. So yeah, that's all I got for you guys. Have a great day, and wait for the next video.